in Canvas, we have the ability to copy assignments from one course to another, and that can be two courses within the same semester. So for instance, like I do, you can see here I have two Algebra 2 classes. So I can copy an assignment from one class to the other if I'm doing the exact same thing in both classes. Or I know some of you have courses that you teach the same course. For instance, in religion, you teach one half of the freshman first semester, one half of the freshman second semester. So you can copy those assignments from the first semester over to the second semester as well if you need to do that. So the easiest way I think to do that is to do it from the current semester. So for instance, I'll use my Algebra 2 as the example, but if you want to copy assignments from either this semester or a previous semester, I would first enter that course, so from your dashboard or from the courses menu on the side, either way, select that course. Next step is to go to Settings on the bottom left-hand menu, and then in Settings, and again, there's multiple ways to do this. I think this is the easiest way. You want to go to Import Course Content on the right-hand menu. And then from there, you're going to have several options depending on what you want to do. Okay, so go to Copy a Canvas course. From there, first you need to select the course from which you want to copy an assignment, or it doesn't even have to be an assignment. I think you can, I haven't done it yet myself, but I think it works with links and files and those sorts of things as well. I know Bev Mitchelson, I think, did it with her announcements page and links for the card catalog and different things in the library. So you need to select the course again from which you want to copy it. It's easier, if you look down here, the courses I renamed from last semester, obviously it's easier to identify, but so you can select a course from this semester like I would do with the two Algebra 2 classes. If you have semester courses that you want to copy over, you can choose those from the first semester, or even if it's a course from a previous year, which may not be helpful to many people this year, but next year could be really helpful to copy information. You can go back to previous years, previous semesters, and copy anything you want to. So first, select the course. So I'm going to select my 6th hour Algebra 2. And then I can select just to copy everything that's already in there, or just specific content. And obviously, you're going to, especially if it's from a previous semester, you're going to want to adjust events and due dates. Obviously, it wouldn't make any sense to have assignments due last September. So in that case, you can shift every date, which I doubt you want to do, or maybe it'd be easier just to remove dates. And then you're going to want to go to Import, and once you do that, if you choose, perhaps I should go back, if you choose, gonna have to restart, I'm sorry. If you choose, okay, let's go ahead and do this, I'm sorry. If I can repeat that one more time. If you choose Select Content, if you only want to copy specific content, you pick which content. You can copy the entire syllabus, you can copy all the assignments, you can copy the course settings. I believe obviously I don't have much in here yet because it's just everything I have from this semester, but like I said, I believe you can copy announcements and discussion topics and quizzes and all of those sorts of things. But you'll have to play with that yourself. If you want to copy the entire course, again, you'll select the course and select all content and click import, and it will, obviously right now it's queued because I have, nope, there it goes. Thought it was going to be queued because I already was working on one, but it then just will go ahead and copy everything right away very quickly like that. So hopefully I didn't ramble too much, but hopefully that's helpful, at least in starting you on how to copy assignments. Again, from, like I said, you can copy it from course to course within a semester or from course to course across different semesters.